Hey Fit Fam, today I'm going to show you a straight arm lat pull down tutorial. Stay tuned. For this movement, you have two different variations. First, the rope. With the rope, you have a greater range of motion. And then the bar. With the bar, it's easier to overload. Now for the form tutorial. First off, have a slight bend in your elbows. But don't over bend your elbows. This is not a tricep press down. It's supposed to be a straight arm lat pull down. Remember, a slight bend. Next is have a neutral spine throughout this movement. After that, make sure you're arching your back and keeping your chest out throughout the movement. Because this is an isolation movement, it's important to have a mind-muscle connection and feel the muscles being worked throughout the whole movement. And one way of doing that is to have a slow and under control movement throughout the whole way. Start with a light weight and get the form down correctly. And then eventually you can add weight, but make sure your form is staying the same. And finally, breathe in the way down of the movement. If you found this video helpful at all, please like, share, and subscribe. And hey, love what you do. If you don't like it, why are you doing it?